Shebesh, she knows what it means to be nominated. Nominated is a big honor. We use it properly, you become a national leader.
Asante sana. I enjoyed myself to the words of the SG and our vice chair. It's unfortunate that a government that is failing has no other business but to target Uhuru Kenyatta. And so I'm saying to my friend, because that's what he calls himself, my friend, you are targeting Uhuru Kenyatta, bring it on. Bring it on. And in fact, what you are doing is really helping us. Because the ridiculousness of the other side is making even Kenyans laugh. Last time I was here, I told you that they are not accepted on the other side. Now what is happening since they started purporting to put an acting party leader is that within themselves, there is a fallout. I don't know why I'm an investigative journalist when you journalists should be knowing the truth. I think, as we said, I don't know where you find them under the trees, but as we say the truth. And the truth is that within them, there is a fallout. Why? Because they come from the ground. And this chairman will tell you who are here, especially those who come from the regions where these MPs are, that the ground and the people who gave them votes are hostile. Very hostile. And I'm glad that we have vacant positions. And I'm asking the chairs, go back to your ground, get us the loyalists of Jubilee. Replacing them is easy, because without Uhuru Kenyatta, they would not be members of parliament today. So since the party leader, who they don't deny is the party leader, by the way, they want to remove him, but they don't do what? They don't deny he's the party leader. Since the party leader was here and showed his support not only for the SG, but also gave the signal that we are going for an NDC. If you are man enough or woman enough, Tupatane